and welcome to my channel. I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats, and we are just a few short days away from Christmas, which is crazy. One of my favorite things to make on Christmas are breakfast casseroles, and today we're making this breakfast casserole that has hash browns, we've got ham, cheese, eggs, all the things. It's absolutely delicious, and it only takes about 10 minutes to prep, which is perfect for the chaos of Christmas. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is preheat our oven to 375 degrees. The ingredients for this recipe really can't get any easier. We're gonna start off, we've got 6 eggs. We have a cup and a half of cheddar cheese that we're gonna shred. We've got half a cup of yellow onion, nice and diced. Then we're gonna use about 8 ounces of diced ham. You can also cook up some bacon separately if you want to. You can always prep that like a day ahead so you have this ready to go in the morning if you prefer bacon over ham. Then we've got some sour cream, we've got a half a cup of whole milk, and salt and pepper. Everything's linked in the description, so don't worry. We've also got a package, this is a 20-ounce package of Simply Potatoes, the shredded hash browns. I love these because they really just like create a good product because they're not frozen, they're fresh. You can also use frozen for this recipe, it's no big deal if that's all you have, but I would let it thaw out a little bit before you make the mixture so everything blends really well. To a large bowl, you're gonna add in those Simply Potato hash browns. Then you're gonna add in 1 cup of cheddar cheese that's grated. Next, you're gonna add in the onion. Then we've got some diced ham, salt and pepper, and our sour cream. Then you just wanna blend this all together, just stir it with a spoon until it's nice and combined. Next, we're gonna grease our casserole dish. I'm just using a little chunk of butter. You can also use vegetable oil for this. Just make sure you hit the sides of it and the bottom. Next, we're gonna add our hash browns right into our casserole dish. And just use your spoon to just spread it out. Next, we're gonna whisk together our eggs and milk. And you wanna whisk this until it's really combined. Once we get those really nice and mixed, we're gonna pour it directly over top of our casserole. Just try and get a little bit of eggs on everything. And then just take your spoon and just kind of run around it just to make sure that the eggs are all over the place. Then we're just gonna top it with the remaining cheese. And you can definitely use a little bit more if you want to. Next, we're just gonna cover our casserole with some tin foil. We wanna pop this in the oven for 30 minutes. Then we're gonna pull it out, take the tin foil off, and pop it in for another 15. You can also broil this at the end to get the top nice and crispy if you like it like that. This just came out of the oven. It looks so good. We are just gonna tent it with foil for like 5 to 10 minutes. Hi, keep down. Sorry, my dog's crazy. We're gonna just tent this with foil for about 5 to 10 minutes before we serve it. He has no manners. Do you, Hutch? It's cute though. That's it, we're all done with this ham and egg hash brown casserole. I hope you guys love this one. Let me know in the comments if you make it for Christmas. I know it's gonna be on our table along with my brioche French toast casserole. Make sure you guys check that one out too. It's like the easiest recipe, 5 minutes of prep, everybody loves it. And it's great for sweet when this one's really good for savory. So make sure to subscribe, make sure to give this video a like, and I hope everybody has a Merry Christmas. I will see you next week. Thanks so much, bye.